Hello friends, welcome to Calyx Learning. My name is Rahul Chheda. I am a business trainer, speaker and coach. In this video, you are going to learn how to create pivot table report filter pages. So before we go ahead, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel, like the videos, share the videos. And now we start with this video. So here we have one pivot table which is created and which shows me the products and the sales for 3 years. What I want is that the sales for 3 years which I have in my data, I have the field of location and I want to create separate sheet location wise sales. So what I will do, the first step is I will take this location field and put in the filter area. As I put the location field into the filter area, I get here the location tab. When I click on this arrow, I get all the locations which are there in the location field. As I click on each location and click OK, the data changes itself to that location. Now, I want to create this separate sheet location wise. So first of all, I will make this locations as all, and then I'll go to Analyze tab, and then on the extreme left I have options. I click on that and I select show report filter pages. As I select report filter pages, I get this small window which says show all report filter pages off. So I have one field over here which is location, and I click OK. So before I click OK, just observe at the bottom, I click OK now, and you will see that location wise different pivots are created. So first is east, then north, south and west. So these are the four location wise pivot tables which are created with the help of the option pivot table report filter pages. I hope you like this video, and if you have any queries, if you want to learn Excel one-to-one online, whether you are in India or outside India, please email us on calyxlearning@gmail.com. The email contact would be there in the description as well. Thank you so much.